has been taught the mystic arts of war.
Sai!
He has mastered 1,000 years of secrets. He has learned the way of the ninja. Now, a soldier on a suicide mission. They have been sent to paradise.
Excuse me, ma'am. Wow.
To defeat a conspiracy that threatens the entire world.
Who set me up? I said who?
The lion!
Who's the lion?
He's a millionaire. He made his money on drugs. He's doing research.
The Super Ninja. The ultimate fighting machine.
Like a predatory tiger, you will feel no pain
Miracles.
and know no emotion but hate.
It's ninja against ninja.
Tommy, the tower!
Together, they must destroy the most powerful criminal empire the world has ever known. He must defeat the most lethal assassin alive, and they must not fail. Michael Dudikoff returns as the American Ninja with Steve James in American Ninja 2: The Confrontation.